Hey Capricorn, I hope you're doing well. So let's see what's going on in your next 7 days from 17th to the 23rd of January, right? Watch out the other signs, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. We will have to look on your what's going on in your relationship sector and what's going in your professional, right? But first, we have to look on your what's going on in your personal life. Bottom of the deck, you have death. So I feel like you are completing a cycle and beginning a new one. Just cut the deck and let's see. You have three of swords. So I feel like maybe right now you are heartbroken, sorrow. Yeah, you are feeling some kind of heartbroken in a situation. And in a relationship sector, you I feel like maybe there is a separation or maybe a broken heart is here. So you need to healing your heart. Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, definitely I see there is a separation and you are single, self-sufficient. But there is some pain, grief, and sorrow in your heart space, right? What else? Okay, you have two. Seven of Cups and Five of Cups. I feel like your main focus is on other options, or maybe you have lots of options, right? And it confuses you because you are not healing yourself with the past broken heart. Yeah, Three of Swords is here. You are not healing yourself. I feel like deep down you are hurt, so much hurt, and that's why you don't see these options, and you are focusing on that no longer serve you, right? This is what I feel like. Five of Wands. Definitely, you are wanting to letting go this toxicity or letting go this pain, sorrow, right? So let's see what else for you. For some of you, I feel like you are single, self-sufficient, and you are letting go this toxicity because you have lots of options. This Five of Cups, Five of Wands represent the change. There is a change in their perspective, the situation, and I feel like you have lots of options. But deep down, you are hurting. Deep down, you are the wounded warrior, right? Deep down, you are having some type of grief and pain, right? Seven of Pentacles, because you working on these things, you working on the beginning, or for some of you, I see that you working in this relationship, but the result maybe not what you wanted, right? Ace of Swords, you see the clarity, and you see the clarity in within the situation, and I feel like you are now moving or beginning a new chapter in your life, right? With the Ace of Swords. The Tower, for lots of you, I feel like whatever happened or whatever going to happen in this week, this unexpected thing, I feel like this is unexpected. This is suddenly out of the blue. Whoever you are dealing with, I feel like there is some kind of lacking in this connection, or maybe this person have other options and it is unexpectedly coming out of the out of the blue end situation, and you see the clarity with the Ace of Swords. For most of you, I feel like you are dealing with some um especially Scorpio, Gemini, Aries, Sagittarius, and Leo. I see that. Okay, one more. Eight of Cups. Definitely, you are not, yeah, you are focusing on and you are putting an effort by letting go this toxicity and whatever happened in this past or going to happen unexpectedly in life. And there is a change, is the needed. Change of purpose, perspectives is here. I feel like changing, yeah, you are taking a leap of faith by changing this criteria, the situation, by having this new beginning in your life. Knight of Wands. Definitely, you are passionate about the, you are rushing towards the new beginning, whatever, but I say that. Two of Swords. Yeah, for lots of you, I see that you have lots of path and you are maybe focusing on which path you want to take, right? And whoever you're dealing with, I see that Six of Swords. Yeah, definitely you are focusing on the victory. You are learning your lesson in the past and you are moving towards calm water, right? I feel like there is a relocation is here, or you may be relocating uh, some kind of traveling. I see that. Yeah, I feel like for lots of you, you are single, self-sufficient, and you are letting go this whatever held in the past by changing a place, right? And you are starting a new beginning or new life in the other place maybe. And I feel like you learned your lesson and you have lots of path to take and lots of choices, right? Bottom of the deck, you have Six of Pentacles. Beautiful. There is a gift you are receiving within yourself by letting go this toxicity and moving towards the calmer water. And change is here, right? You are heading towards the Ten of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, right? You are standing in your ground and you are moving towards the fulfillment emotionally and financially too. For lots of you, I see that uh, definitely you have lots of opportunity is coming for you, which gives you a gift is as the gift. There is a promotion, or I see that there is some kind of promotion or some kind of financial abundance is coming for you, which gives you the relocation, right, relocation, and you are starting a new beginning in your life by relocating yourself. Yeah, Ten of Pentacles, definitely. Queen of Wands. You're standing in your power. So Capricorn, that's all for the this week. And let's see what's going on in your. Okay, I forget to. Okay, let's see what's the universe showing you in the name of Oracle. What is the universe saying you? What else for Capricorn? What else for Capricorn? Okay, you have to. Worthiness, know your worth. The universe can only bring you what you know and you deserve, right? And you can have it all. Definitely, you know your worth by letting go this toxicity, by letting go this narcissist people in the back, right? And you are moving towards a beautiful chapter, right? You are moving, the butterfly is here. You are evolving yourself, a new phase in your life. You are healing the inner child, and growth is definitely here by changing a place or maybe some kind of opportunity you have to take. Or metaphorically, if there is nothing that opportunity is coming for you, metaphorically you know which path you want to take, right? Very beautiful. So Capricorn, let's have a look on your what's going on in your career and professional life, on your what's going on in your career and financial field for the next 7 days, right? Let's see. Bottom of the deck, you have King of Swords. Definitely strategically planning something in your career and financial sector. So let's cut the deck and see. Okay. Knight of Pentacles. There is a new beginning or some kind of new planning or new idea or new creativity is coming for you. Or you are making or birthing a new creativity. Eight of Pentacles, right? Because you are effortlessly paying attention to your financial. Yeah, there is something new is going to start or you wanting to start. Devil, beware of devil energy. This is your energy, but always not is a negative, right? So I feel like for lots of you, you are starting a new beginning in your chapter, or you are starting. I feel like you're letting go the old behavior or old pattern, and this year I feel like you are focusing on in the new creativity. You are birthing something new which is going to fruitful you, right? Three of Pentacles, there is a collaboration. If you are a businessman, there is a collaboration is required. And if you are in a job sector, I feel like you have lots of collaboration is here. So you are making a collaboration or making plans together by having this beautiful new beginning in your life. Your main focus is on Pentacles, definitely. Four of Pentacles. So lots of you, I feel like you are holding, yeah, you are holding, your main attention is on Pentacles, right? Rather than in a relationship sector. And I feel like you are holding your new ideas and some kind of, I see lots of Pentacles. You can see that lots of Pentacles is here. Definitely your main focus is not on relationship sector. I feel like you are holding to some type of new opportunity or new kind of way, right? And you are beginning a new path. See the Three of Pentacles and the Four of Pentacles. Beautiful message. And the Six of Cups. Yeah, I feel like in the recent past you are having some issues, or the I feel like you are having some issues or you lost something some opportunities in the past, in the recent past, and that's why your main focus is on pentacles, and you are effortlessly work your main effort in on pentacles by having a great achievement you required. And I feel like in the recent past you have nothing, and for some of you I see that you are putting an effort, lots of effort, but the things are not going well in your life. With the Six of Cups, yeah, I see the devil is here, and that's why you are starting a new process, and you are neglecting, or you are letting go the old pattern and old behavior, and you have lots of idea, right, in a new way. Seven of Swords, definitely I see that whoever you are dealing with this type of energy, or this devil type of energy, and I see that there is a deception. Somebody might be in your colleagues, your friends, in your professional field. I see that somebody may be lying, cheating, and deceitful is here, deceive you in some way. It may be the past person in your professional life, maybe co-worker, even you're working with your friends. I feel like there is a deception is here with the Seven of Wands. Somebody may be cheating and lying or stealing your ideas and getting promotion or some kind of benefits of that. That's why you are in a devil energy, and you are focusing on yourself to having this opportunity. And with the Four of Pentacles, I feel like you are keeping your ideas to yourself, right, and whatever you experienced in the past, right. This is very good for you. Let's get some oracle messages. Okay, and let's see. So you have X, breakup, separation, stop the pattern, silent treatment, and abandoned. I told you, you have to break the pattern, and you have letting go the past experience. You learned your lessons, and not in the past experience. I see that you are having some type of pattern, and you effortlessly work in a collaboration, but something might be not going well in your recent past or in this situation. And I feel like you have to stop the pattern here and beginning the new one, right? One more for Capricorn. Both receiving, arriving, progression, and arriving closure. Definitely you are moving towards calmer water, and you are having some maybe relocating somewhere, and I feel like there is a progression in your situation if you work very hard. And I see that you are working very hard by making a new progress and stop the pattern, right, with the Eight of Pentacles. And the bottom of the deck you have healing heart, healing from heart, breakup, freedom from toxic relationship or addiction. Yeah, freedom from toxic relationship with this devil here, and the past person maybe you are dealing with. Seven of Swords, freedom with this toxicity in your life. Heal your heart, and there's definitely a progression. What I see that. So Capricorn, that's all for this week. I hope it resonated to you. And see you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.